In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a table to a range in Excel. If you've ever turned your data into an Excel table and later realized you just want a plain range again, this is exactly what you need. Converting a table back to a normal range keeps your data and most of the formatting, but it removes the special table features like automatic filtering, banded row behavior, and structured references. This can be helpful when you're finalizing a report, simplifying a sheet for sharing, or preparing data for tools that don't play nicely with table objects. Start by clicking anywhere inside the table you want to convert. You don't have to select the whole thing, just make sure your active cell is within the table's boundaries. You'll know you're in a table if you see filter drop-down arrows in the header row, banded row colors, and a special contextual tab appear at the top of Excel. With your cursor inside the table, look to the ribbon at the top and open the Table Design tab. Depending on your version of Excel, this might simply be labeled Design. This tab only appears when your selection is inside a table, so if you don't see it, click a different cell inside the table and check again. The Table Design tab gives you all the tools related to Excel tables, including the option to convert back to a standard range. In the Table Design tab, find and click Convert to Range. It's typically located in the Tools group on the left side of the ribbon. When you click it, Excel will prompt you with a confirmation message asking if you want to convert the table to a normal range. Go ahead and confirm by clicking Yes. Immediately, you'll notice a few changes. The filter drop-down arrows in the header row disappear, the total row reverts to standard cells, and the special table name and structured references are removed. Your data remains exactly where it was, and the visual formatting, like header shading and banded rows, usually stays in place as regular cell formatting, so the sheet still looks familiar. From this point on, your range behaves like any normal set of cells, and you can sort or filter using Excel's standard commands. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you convert by mistake, use undo right away. And if you later decide you want table features again, you can always create a new table from the same range. That's it. Simple, quick, and clean. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your Excel workflow.